Cancer. It's a disease that can evade the immune system's natural defenses, allowing it to survive and proliferate. To stimulate the patient's immune system, effector immune cells must be activated to attack the cancer in the tumor microenvironment. One of the keys to initiating a tumor-attacking immune response lies in the cytokine protein interleukin-2, or IL-2. When our bodies are healthy and IL-2 is at lower levels, the majority of it binds with high affinity to CD25-containing trimeric receptors on Tregs. These cells soak up background IL-2, preventing an overactive immune state. But IL-2 is known as a double-edged sword because it can also activate the immune system. As levels of IL-2 spike, it will bind and activate lower affinity dimeric receptors on pro-inflammatory cells, such as tumor-attacking cytotoxic effector cells. When IL-2 is used as an anti-tumor drug, high concentrations are needed to overcome Treg sequestration of IL-2 and activate effector immune cells. At first, this approach has worked. Effector immune cells are stimulated and release high local concentrations of endogenous IL-2, which stimulates more effector cells. But it also triggers Treg expansion in the tumor microenvironment and tumor-draining lymph nodes. A negative feedback loop soon develops, shutting down effector cells and undermining IL-2's therapeutic effectiveness. The anti-cancer immune response is suppressed. Large amounts of circulating IL-2 also activate vascular endothelium throughout the body and can lead to serious side effects, including generalized and pulmonary edema, vascular leak syndrome, and hypotension. Imnescobart holds the key to unlocking the full potential of IL-2 to activate the immune system's response to tumors while simultaneously preventing serious side effects. Imnescobart is a human monoclonal antibody that recognizes the CD25 binding site on IL-2 and was designed with the assistance of artificial intelligence. This prevents IL-2 from binding to the higher affinity trimeric receptors located on vascular endothelium and Tregs and frees up more IL-2. As IL-2 activates effector cells in the tumor microenvironment, more endogenous IL-2 is released. Imnescobart captures this secreted endogenous IL-2, which prevents Treg expansion and drives further activation of T effector cells. The negative regulatory feedback loop now becomes a positive feedback loop, a unique and novel mechanism of action for treating solid tumors. And by blocking IL-2's binding to vascular endothelium, Imnescobart has the potential to improve safety and widen the therapeutic index of IL-2 therapies, unleashing the anti-cancer power of IL-2. With Imnescobart, we're setting a new direction for IL-2 in immuno-oncology, so patients can live longer and better lives. We're Aulos.